didn't connect to this one's off center. One is not wanting to go through. Yeah, it finally went through. Or it's trying to. It's probably not the most exciting video on the internet, but you do want to attempt to fix your monitor, so you're stuck listening to me bore you to death. I was trying to clean up the spots where I soldered, make sure there's no leftover solder sticking on anything that it's supposed to. It doesn't have to look pretty. That's when making sure the solder stays far away. Okay. Those that one and that one are what I soldered. Make sure there's no solder in between. It's hard for me to talk and concentrate at the same time, sorry. But then just double check your work, make sure you didn't mess nothing up. And to tell you the truth, and I'm sure you figured it out by now, I'm not the best solderer there is. I'm not like a pro with this or nothing. It's just, you know, playing around with it and learned how to half-ass do it, so. But yeah, this monitor worked, by the way, too, so if it don't work now, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, there, it's all done. You just put everything back together the same way you took it apart, and you should have a working monitor. If not, I don't know what to tell you. There's just a problem with the inverters on these two, I guess, but it's like one or the other. Either you got the capacitor problem or you got the inverter problem, from what I've seen. Let me see. That big guy right there, stay away from him. He's not friendly. He could be storing a charge waiting just for you to touch it and get the shit shocked out of you. So put all that together the way it was before. Good luck. I hope it fixed it for you. If you need me to be more specific or concentrate more on one part of the soldering process or anything like that, just send me an email. LT916, that's at Hotmail. It's B as in Boyd, T as in Tom, L-E-E like Bruce Lee, you know, at hotmail.com. And I'd be happy to answer any questions that I'm able to answer for you about this particular thing. But alright, I hope it helped you fix your monitor, and good luck. Happy New Year.